Hello everyone, my name is Rubi Yadav and I am a legal intern at LEXIS and Company. I am pursuing my LLB from Meri Professional and Law Institute, MDU Rohtak. I am glad to get this opportunity to represent myself and discuss my topic with all of you. Today, the topic of discussion is the maintenance of wife under the Muslim law, and the sole purpose of my topic is to brief you all the aspects through which a woman can get the maintenance under the Muslim law, and what are the other provisions regarding maintenance for a woman also. Before going to start, firstly, I would like to tell you that what are the certain things which are covered under the maintenance. Maintenance includes in all cases provisions for food, clothes, residence, education and medical treatment. And in the case of an unmarried daughter, expenses for her marriage will be maintenance for her. Now, let me tell you who are the peoples who are entitled for the maintenance under the Muslim law. So, there are categories of the persons who are entitled for the maintenance. The first one is the wife, second is the children, third is the parents, and fourth is the other relations. So, what are the grounds on which the women can claim the maintenance? First one, this is the obligations of the marriage. Second, if there is any prenuptial agreement with the wife of the maintenance, then she can claim. Third one, under the section 125 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. And fourth is the under Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Divorce Act 1986. These are the grounds on which a Muslim woman can claim the maintenance from her husband. As we know, every religion have their personal laws. So, under the Muslim law, married Muslim husband constitute the maintenance of the wife, as well as the husband is not entitled for any maintenance. And women's or wife rights of maintenance can be studied into three topics. That is, the first one, maintenance during the subsistence of marriage, and the second one, maintenance of a divorced wife. Third one is the maintenance of widow. So firstly, I am going to explain the first topic, that is the maintenance during the subsistence of marriage. The husband becomes liable to maintain his wife from the date when the wife attained the puberty and not before that. And the husband is bound to maintain her as long as she is obedient to him. And there are some of the situations in which wife can claim the maintenance even if she disobeys him. And the conditions are, if the husband keeps a concubine, the husband is guilty of committing cruelty towards his wife, and the marriage cannot be consummated owing to his illness. So these are the conditions in which the wife can claim the maintenance even though she is not faithful and obedient towards her husband. There is one case law, that is in Itwari vs. Asgari 1960. It was held that if the husband has married with a second wife without the consent of his first wife, the first wife would be entitled to live separately from her husband and claim maintenance against him. So, under the maintenance during the subsistence of marriage, the husband is entitled to maintain her wife till she attains the age of puberty and till she is obedient and faithful towards him. But there are certain conditions in which she can, that means the wife can claim the maintenance even though she is not obedient and faithful towards his husband, and that must be fulfilled the conditions which is mentioned in under this provision. Now the further two categories, that is the maintenance of the divorced wife and maintenance of the widow. I will discuss these two topics in my second video, which will be the maintenance of wife under Muslim law part 2. And that's it for today. Thank you so much all of you.